All right, today you guys are going to learn about prime and composite numbers. Do you guys know what those are?
No.
No? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I laid out numbers 1 through 10. I want you guys to make trains underneath there, but the trains have to be the same color. So, like for our 8 one, you can put 2 4s under there, but you can't put a 5 and a 3. Does that make sense? Okay, so Zoe, you start from this end. Haven, you start from that end. So what's going to go under there, Haven? You only have one choice.
Easy. Mama, all the odd ones have to have 1, and all the even ones have to have. So all, like 9, we have to do 9 ones.
Mm-hmm.
No other.
Are you sure there are no other ones to put under the 9?
Oh, yeah. You know what? This is really bright and colorful. Just how I like it.
Put as many trains as you can underneath each one. So you put 2 5s under here, right? Is there anything else that can go under that?
5 2s.
5 2s, yeah. Let's see how Haven's doing over here. We have some wood ones and some plastic, so they're different. The wood is just regular wood, but these are, we call them white, even though these wood ones are kind of tan. So the girls know that these are all 1.
They're not kind of tan, they are tan.
They are tan, you're right.
Wait.
Haven, can we go from biggest to smallest? So can you put the reds above the whites?
Sure.
Thank you, baby. And Zoe, did you hear that? We'll go from the biggest
Yeah, that's what I'm
cards to
doing.
the smallest. Okay, good. All right, so Haven found under the purple you can put 2 reds and 4 whites. How about under the yellow here? Number 5.
Mommy, I like to use these ones because they show.
They show up better, don't they? Against our white table. All right, so Zoe's got a 10, 2 5s, 5 2s, and 10 1s. How about for your 9? You have a 9 and 3 3s. And what else did you say? Anything else that'll go under the 5, Haven?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, what next?
6. This is really colorful.
It is colorful, isn't it? That's actually what makes it so good for a lot of people, because color helps us to learn.
Mommy, look at how.
Well, we'll hold the information in another area of our brain in addition to what we already are doing. What, sugar?
It's easy to do it. You just grab 6 of them. Mama.
There you go. Is there anything else besides the 1s that will fit under the 6?
Yep.
Okay, because remember we want to do the biggest cards first. So you might want to, yeah, just bring those down a bit.
Eight also has 4 2s. Mommy, can I do this one since Haven did 6?
Why don't you guys work together? Okay, we got it done? Okay, now I'm going to tell you what prime and composite numbers are. The prime numbers are the ones that only have 1s underneath them. So 7 is, and 5 is a prime number,
2
and 3
and
2. And you know what? I looked it up online, and 1 used to be called a prime number, but for some reason they're saying it's not a prime or composite. So we'll just kind of forget about 1. So Haven, you can move him off to the side. All right, Haven, what are the prime numbers in front of you?
2, 3, 5, and 7.
Good. Zoe, what are the composite numbers, all the other ones?
10, 9, 10, 9, 8, 6, 4.
Good. Now, we could make more trains with 11 and 12 and 13, but let's see if you guys can figure it out without making the trains. What about 11? Would that be prime or composite?
Prime.
Okay. How about 12, Haven? Could you do more than ones underneath a 12?
Composite. Oh,
Yeah.
we've tried 12 before.
Yeah, we have. With our fractions, we've done it too. How about 13? Is that prime or composite?
Is it prime?
Prime, because you can only fit ones underneath it, right? Evenly. How about 14?
That's a composite.
Okay, Haven, how about 15? Can you fit more than just ones under that? You think it's prime?
No. Because you can fit 3 5s and 5 3s.
Oh, good thinking. Were you guys starting to think that all odd numbers were prime?
No. No. Yeah.
I thought I could see that happening in your mind there. But what about all even numbers? What can we say about those?
19 is a composite.
19? Do you mean?
9. Well, there's 8 and 8.
Well, think about
8
19.
and 8.
8 and 8 is 16. Maybe we need to try 19.
It's 9 and 9.
Okay, Zoe's going to put a 10 and a 9 together. That's 19. What can we fit under there besides ones? Because you say it's composite. Can you prove it to me? Can we fit 2s or 3s or 4s?
3s. Let's try 3. It's not going to work.
See, this is a good way for them to get more multiplication or addition in there.
It's not going to work.
Is it not going to work? Haven, do you see that it's not going to work?
Yeah.
Okay. The 6 3s is what?
6 3 is 20.
What's 6 3s?
20. 18.
18, right. So another 3 would not be 19. It would be more than 19. So
21.
does 4 go into 19? Could you put 4s underneath that?
No.
How about
Maybe.
5? Oh, maybe. Okay.
No, you couldn't.
See, we try it out.
You couldn't. I know, because 19 is an odd number and 4 is an even number. See?
So Haven, explain that. You said 19 is an odd number and 4 is an even number. So can you tell me more about that?
All I know is that.
Do you want me to help lead you to what you're trying to say? If you are adding even numbers, you will always end up with a... What kind of answer? An even answer, yep. So that's how you knew that adding those even numbers would... Okay. Zoe, please don't answer for her. That's how you knew, right? That adding 4s would not end up with 19. Okay, so 5s? Would that go under 19? 6s?
No.
7s?
No.
8s? What's 8 plus 8?
16.
And then one more 8, would that be 19? Oh, 9s?
Of course no.
Okay, so now we're over the halfway point. Do we need to keep going? In fact, let's show that with rods. Here's 19, right? And what did I just say? 9s. We know 9s won't work. And
We know 10s won't work.
with 10s,
11s won't work. 20.
10 is over half of 19. Do you see that? So any bigger numbers are
19
obviously
will.
not going to fit under there. 19, yeah. We have our
19 is
19.
a prime number.
Okay, good job. Say it nice and loudly.
19 is a prime number.
Good. How about 20? Is that prime?
No.
No way. Can you?
There's try 20. There's 5 and there's 4 and there's 1 and there's 10 and there's 2.
Lots of them, huh?
Not 10.
So what can you guys tell me about even numbers? Have you noticed anything about all the even numbers? They're all something.
They're all
Composite.
composite.
Right. They're all composite because what's always going to fit under them?
Even numbers.
Yep, 2s. Right? We can always fit the 2 train underneath even numbers.
Oh, Haven, you forgot the 2 train under the 6.
There's a 2 here, although that's a prime one. So I guess starting with 4. You know what? Look, girls. Look here. This is an even number, but is it prime or composite? Prime. It's our only one that's prime. Here's composite.
Haven forgot to put the 3 2s.
Uh-oh. Here's composite. Here's composite. 8 and 10. All the even numbers will have 2s underneath. Whoops.
Except for 2. All the 9 numbers will be composite.
All the 9 numbers? You mean the numbers that have 9 in them?
How about 99? Only this.
Is 99 composite or prime? Can you fit more than just 1s underneath 99?
It's composite because you can add 9 11s.
9 11s, yeah. Or 11
9s.
9s.
Or you could do 99 ones, which would take a very long time.
Yeah. Or how about 33 what's?
It could be 33 threes or 3 33s.
Yeah, and we could actually do that with rods, but we won't show that on the video. But if kids need to actually see that, that would be a wonderful way to show them what prime and composite is, instead of just showing all the symbols, right? Notice, girls, are we writing anything down right now?
No.
Nope, no symbols. We're just getting it in your minds, the concept of what we're talking about. And then once we get to symbols, it'll be easy peasy, right? Okay, good job.